Hi everyone, my name is Devika. So I'm having over 3 years of experience as a Salesforce admin. So today in the Salesforce admin training, we'll go through like what is Salesforce now. So Salesforce is an American cloud-based software company which has its headquarters in San Francisco, California. So it was founded by former Oracle executive Mark Benioff in 1999. And now Salesforce is a CRM and Salesforce.com helps you to manage custom relationships. It can be quickly integrated with other systems and even help in building cloud-based apps. So later on we will come across the apps which we can build using Salesforce. So and we can download many apps which are already there in App Exchange. So there are plenty of tools that help us in creating customer solution based on our business. Now, what is CRM? So CRM is a customer relationship management. So CRM is a tool which allows companies track their customers, both current customers and also the future customers which might have in the upcomings. So it caters to the need of small to medium and also to large organizations. Suppose today I open a business with 10 employees. So we can use Salesforce to automate our business using Salesforce. Now, so as we can see, it has features such as contact management, workflow creation, task management, opportunity tracking, and there are many others. Now, a question might have arisen in your mind. Why do we need Salesforce? So earlier also we had, cloud-based application like Siebel. So what is so special in Salesforce? So now here is a quick comparison between traditional CRM and Salesforce CRM. So traditional it was hosted on company servers. So but in Salesforce it is hosted on cloud. Like you don't have to worry about the servers. Everything maintenance then servers and the databases all are in cloud. And in traditional CRM, it was taking months to set up traditional CRM systems. It is very easy to set up a Salesforce CRM. It's just that you need a login ID and a password. It was very difficult to use and understand them, but with Salesforce, it is very user friendly. Like if you navigate, it is you can easily understand, and like wherever you click, it has a proper definition for the same. Like if you open or if you want to create an object or if you want to create a field, which will be covered later on. You can see when you click on a new object, what is an object? It will give you the proper definition so that it gives a better understanding to you. So it witnessed unused data or data which was not analyzed properly. So here it gives plenty of personalized services and we will be able to manage all our data properly. So now like it is very much Salesforce is very much accepted in our current scenario. And like whatever it releases the new features in 3 sprints. So now, what is the advantage of using Salesforce? It is available in very low cost. Like you do not need to spend on servers, database, maintenance. Everything is on cloud, so the cost is highly reduced. And like if you have 5 licenses, you only have to pay for those 5 licenses. It's not that you have to pay for 100 licenses, and then you might in that use for 5 licenses. Simple user interface that is well received by users. It is also very flexible and it has low maintenance and low risk since everything is in cloud. And Salesforce add extra features for every release as I told you earlier. Now, what are the services in cloud computing? Infrastructure as a service. Now, what is infrastructure as a service? Here, cloud services providers largely focus on infrastructure services like hosting servers, storage servers. Now, SAS, software as a service. It is a concept of accessing the software application over the internet. Now, PaaS, platform as a service. Now, what is it? It is a concept of accessing a platform such as any programming language on which an application is built, provided as a service over the internet is called PaaS. For example, Force.com, the platform is used by Salesforce Google App Engines. Now, cloud services. So there are many type of cloud services in the market, but Sales Cloud, Marketing, and Service, these are the main cloud services which the companies generally use. Now coming to Sales Cloud. So what is Sales Cloud? So it is used to manage organization sales, marketing, and customer support services. It helps us to close deals much faster as compared to traditional system. Like you can establish your business in a very faster pace. So what comes under Sales Cloud is that opportunity management and account management, which will come later. Now, what is Marketing Cloud? The Marketing Cloud offers one of the most powerful digital marketing platforms to manage different marketing activities. The possible activities that can be managed through Marketing Cloud include like web personalization, data analysis, content creation. So, under Marketing Cloud, what do we have is campaign management, lead management, search marketing, contact management. Now, what is Service Cloud? The Service Cloud is a platform to manage the support activities of the customers inside organizations. The cloud not only helps us handle customer queries gracefully, but also get direct access to answers for more satisfaction in real time. So suppose when we are using a product, so it should also have a support team, because whatever queries maybe while running a business the end user might have, we need to cater them. So Salesforce provides Service Cloud for those services. So it comes under case management and solution management. So, and like whatever queries you're having, you'll get a proper answer to it, and like they will directly contact you if you're not satisfied with your with the solution they have provided. Okay, that's it. Thank you.